Hello and welcome back to my channel, That Geeky Gal. My name is Gracie and this is day 9 of 12 days of Harry Potter Christmas. This time I have this house pointer ornament for you. You can make it as an ornament or you can just have it as decor to put under your tree like I did. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. The house points let the teachers and the students know which house is winning for the end of the year to get the house cup. In some of the movies, it's kind of hard to see the house points, but they're actually there, and I found some scenes where you can kind of see them, and so I wanted to make some of my own. So grab all your materials and let's get started. Alright, so remember, links are always down below. You're gonna need some 4 glitter tubes, 4 mini glass bottles. I got these at the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need green, red, gold, and blue beaded necklaces. 4 mini Jenga pieces. Now you're not going to need the popsicle sticks, just the gold Sharpie, some scissors, your glue gun, and you're also going to need this gold folk art metallic pure gold paint. Alright, so these are my beads. The first thing that you want to do is actually just cut up your beads. I used almost all of one necklace. And so all you have to do is just cut your beads, make sure you take off as much of the string as possible. And here are all my beads. And the first thing you want to do is you want to fill each of your jars with one color of each bead. These jars have a cork lid and don't throw them away because you are actually going to be using it. So go ahead and insert all of those. Here they are. Now, you want to make sure that all of those are nice and filled up. We're going to grab our glitter tubes. You're going to unscrew the cap, and here it's going to be up to your discretion how much you want to fill each one up. And here they are. Now I kind of filled them almost all the way up. I don't want to discriminate between houses, but you want to make sure you want to put the one that your house in has the most beads. So take off the screws on the top of the cap. You're going to put your cork back on your small bottle, and you're going to put some hot glue around the bottle. And be careful, I made the mistake of not remembering what to do first. And you want to go ahead and stick that onto, you're going to stick your glass bottle onto your plastic bottle. And get rid of any excess glue that you might have on there. And here they all are ready to go. Now with your Sharpie, what you're going to do is, you're going to go ahead and just color right where the seam is, where the both bottles connect, just to give it some nice detail. And you're going to do that to all 4 bottles. So there's one. And then you are going to get your gold metallic paint and you're going to paint your Jenga pieces. Make sure you paint all sides. I was going to try and use the popsicle sticks, which is why you see them there, but I didn't end up using them at the end. So you're going to glue 2 of the Jenga pieces together. You don't need too much hot glue, just a tiny bit. Make sure that they're nice and well placed. And this is where we're going to put our counters on. So go ahead and put some glue on the bottom of your counters. And we're going to add each of our 4 counters. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one. Okay, nice and secure. And now we're going to add the top. So all you have to do is add glue to the top part of the counters. And then glue on your gold Jenga pieces on top. Okay, and here it is. Like I said, I was going to use the popsicle sticks, but you don't need to use those. And this is what it looks like. So you can move the beads on the bottom ones and they're movable. Now, like I said, you can fill it up to your discretion. You know, whatever house you want to have more is fine. And here it is underneath my Christmas tree. What I love about this ornament is that if you have a bigger tree, it'll fit right in between. And if you don't want to use it as a Christmas ornament, you can always just leave it all year round for your shelf. Hope you enjoyed this one. This has been such a fun thing to do, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, you guys. Bye.